Unlock seamless online transactions and watch your sales soar by integrating Stripe with your Shopify store. First, let's dive into setting up your Stripe account, the foundation for secure and efficient payments. Log into your Shopify admin, head over to Settings, and then select Payments. This is where the magic happens. Find the Payment Providers section if Stripe isn't already there. You'll need to add it. Look for Stripe and click Activate Stripe. This will prompt you to connect an existing Stripe account or create a new one if you're new to Stripe. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your business details, including bank account information for payouts. Once your Stripe account is active and linked to Shopify, you can explore advanced customization within your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section to find your API keys. Back in Shopify's payment settings, you'll see your Stripe integration here. You can configure settings like supported currencies and even enable features like AVS address verification system checks for enhanced security. For a smoother customer experience, you can also customize the appearance of the payment form on your checkout page. This ensures your brand's look and feel are maintained throughout the entire transaction process. And just like that, your Shopify store is powered by Stripe, ready to accept payments securely and efficiently. Subscribe for more tips to optimize your e-commerce journey.